Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some Spanish rice, Mexican rice. In my house, we just called it rice. So a couple years ago, on my family vlog channel, link up above, self-promo, I made Spanish rice and I showed you guys how to make it. And so many people were upset because it was part of a vlog and they had to watch like 1/4 of the vlog to get to where I was making the rice, and I guess that really upset a lot of people. So I decided after so many years, I think that video was like 5 years ago, to make a standalone how I make rice video. So yeah, fun fact, I used to just call it rice. I didn't call it Mexican, Spanish, or red rice. I just called it rice for my whole life because that's what we called it at home, rice, until I met my husband and they would make white rice. I was like, oh, white rice? This is oh so good. And so that's when I started calling it rice or white rice, but I still just call it rice. So you guys are probably like, it's the vlog thing all over again. We just want the recipe. All right, this is what you're gonna need. At least 2 tomatoes, a garlic clove, 1/4 of an onion, rice, just good old rice. Con más sola, no está sola. You'll need oil. Technically, you could use any oil. I just cannot seem to be able to make rice with anything that's not masola. Go crazy with olive oil if you want, but I've never made it with any other oil. And bouillon. You're gonna need yourself some bouillon. I used to always have this big jar of bouillon powder, chicken, bouillon, tomato, and I kind of started getting away from that. And then I started buying the cubes because I kind of just wanted it around. So obviously you could buy it in cube form or powder form. So we'll be using 1 cube of bouillon. I used to use 1 tablespoon of chicken and 1 tablespoon of tomato, but I ran out of tomato, so we're just gonna use chicken. Is this chicken? And water. So we're gonna make our base now. This base works with more than just rice. You got your semita de melon, you got your estrellitas, and your famous fideo. All works. Same way, same recipe, same technique, yet they taste different. What's that about? So a lot of people like to boil these or roast them. Your onions and your garlic and your tomatoes. I think it tastes the same. And I'm lazy, so we're not gonna do that. Let's chop them up, throw them in my blender, blend it up. Where is my good knife? See, all I could afford is 1 good knife, not a whole set, you guys. I'm not monetized yet, you guys. I'm just chopping up my tomatoes. 2 tomatoes down. I like to smush my garlic before putting it in. Remember, when cutting an onion, never cut off the root. That's the part that makes you cry. My bouillon cube. You might ask yourself, why are you putting it in a smoothie container? Well, what happened is that my blade for my regular blender isn't working properly, so I'm gonna have to use my smoothie, and we're gonna make it work, guys. We're gonna make it work. So since I am using my little smoothie thing, I'm just gonna pour 1 cup of water in here, just enough water to blend it. Once I pour this concoction into my rice, I will be adding additional 4 cups of water. You don't have to use a big pan like this, guys. I've seen a lot of people use small pans. It doesn't matter. It actually doesn't. Tastes the same. I like to put my pan on medium-high. Now you want to make sure your oil is very hot before you even add your rice. While the oil is heating up, this is the time for you to wash your rice. So many people don't wash the rice. Wash your rice, no matter what you're making. Spanish, Mexican, other types of rice out there. Wash your rice. Wash your rice. Wash your rice. 2 cups of rice. Forgot to say, 2 cups of rice. Now that your oil is hot, just pour in your rice. So now this is the most important part. And this is why I like to do my base first before my rice, is that you constantly have to be moving the rice around. You don't want it to burn. You want it to get nice and golden, but you don't want it to burn. Rice is definitely one of those that you just have to be on and just don't even look at it. Just watch a YouTube video. Watch one of my YouTube videos. And you just make sure to mix. Come on, rice. Get golden. This is the boring part. This is why I don't like making rice, because this is, I find boring. Like, it's going to be amazing and delish, but you know what I mean? Okay, so you're going to start seeing like little golden ones, and you're like, score, I'm done. No, keep going. It should all be golden. But you're almost there. I get cocky and say, yeah, I'm just gonna go do this really fast and walk away. And that's when I burn it. Once your rice starts looking a little bit like this, it was burning because I was trying to get the camera to focus. See, it's always something, guys. Now it's time for the sauce. All right, I gotta do the sauce. It looks nice and golden brown. Scared me. Every time, guys. Once you pour the rest of your water in, just go ahead and mix it well. This is the best time for you to taste your concoction and see if it needs a little bit of salt or not. It needs a little bit of salt. It's basically the number one thing I hate seeing in recipes where it says salt to taste. No, no, no. You tell me exactly how much salt to put in it. But in this case, salt to taste. Now comes the important part. All you have to do is make sure, close the lid, put it on medium, and do nothing. Don't open it, don't take a peek, do not do anything. It is so important that the steam stays inside the rice, and you're gonna let that cook until all the rice gets absorbed, and then you're gonna turn it off, and you're not gonna do anything again for at least 10 minutes. I know this is the hard part, because in everyone's mind, you're like, I need to check on the rice. Open it. All that steam goes away. That's what's killing the rice. You need to make sure not to open it. Do not open. Trust the method. Do not open it. So I just finished cooking for 20 minutes, and then I let it sit for another 10 minutes, and it's time to taste. Do you guys see that? That's a sign of good rice. This is what you want your rice to look. Nice and fluffy and not stuck to the bottom. So I'm gonna have my daughter try the rice. Kids don't lie. How is it? Yeah?
And guess what? It tastes like Grandma Walter's rice.
It tastes like Grandma's rice. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time.